Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We will present a dialogue about the material of making suggestion, like board dislike, agreement and disagreement, expressing sympathy, procedure text, giving sympathy, and expressing emotion. Our purpose is to make this presentation video to fulfill the midterm exam assignment. Before that, let me introduce the member of my group, which consists of me, Sansurya, Nadia Naura Mariam, Siti Khairunisa, Inayah Fitriana, and Mufidah Nurfaiza. On a sunny afternoon, right at 12 noon, which was already lunchtime, Isan, Inayah, Nadia, Chacha, and Fida gathered in cafeteria to have lunch together. In the middle of lunch, they were also talking about something that was going viral on social media.
Guys, what are you going to do after the last
Nadia?
class?
For me, after the last class, I go straight home because I want to do my assignment. It's about cross-cultural understanding assignment that made the PowerPoint one, Chacha.
Oh my God, I forgot about the cross-cultural understanding course assignment. I haven't done it yet.
I also forgot that there was an assignment, so now I haven't done it either.
Inayah, Isan, have you done the cross-cultural understanding assignment?
Already, I finished working on it 2 days ago.
What about you, Isa?
I'm in the process of working on it, so it's not finished yet.
Why haven't you finished yet?
Yesterday, when I was working on it, there were problems because I didn't really understand how to operate the PowerPoint application.
Ah, I see, but I admit that operating the PowerPoint application is a bit complicated.
Yes, you're right. I even had to learn it first when I was in the middle school before operating it.
I used to be the same as you, but now I have another application that is more easier to use in making presentation slides.
What application is that, Nadia?
Have you ever heard an app called Canva? It's much easier to use.
Oh, I know that app, but I've never used it.
I also use the Canva application when making presentation slides because in the application there are many features that can be used and also help make it easier for you to make presentation slides.
Yes, that's exactly what Inaya said. I suggest you use the Canva application instead to make it easier, Isan.
Well, I will try it later. Thank you for your explanation and advice, Nadia and Inaya.
Anytime.
My pleasure.
After Nadia and Inaya gave advice to Ihsan, Chacha, and Fida, they continue to chat about Inaya's previous question.
Yes, speaking of Inaya question earlier, it looks like after class, I will go home and continue to do my assignment, and then after that, I will watch a soccer match between Indonesia versus South Korea.
Wow, it looks like the match will be very exciting.
Yes, right. By the way, the match starts at what time, Isan?
The match starts early in the morning at 12:30 a.m.
I have an idea. Why don't we watch the match together after we finish the assignment?
But do you guys really like soccer?
Of course, even though I'm a girl, I like watching soccer match, especially when our country's team is competing.
I'm also like Chacha. I like soccer because my older brother really often watch soccer match.
If I can be honest, I dislike soccer, but if our country team competing, I will definitely watch to support them.
I'm the same as Nadia. I feel like I have to watch and support when our country team is playing.
All right. Then after we finish doing the assignment, we will watch the match together through streaming.
Okay, when you have finished doing the assignment, just let me know. Let me find the streaming link.
Okay, we'll talk in the group chat later.
After Isan, Inaya, Nadia, Vida, and Chacha agreed to watch the soccer match together, they continue eating until they finish and they hurried to return to class. After finishing class, they went straight home and when they got home, Isan, Nadia, Chacha, and Vida immediately did their assignment.
Guys, I have a question. How do you add elements to presentation slide at the Canva application?
You click the three lines in the top left corner on the screen and then click Elements on the screen, Chacha.
Oh, like that. Then how do I find the element I want to use?
You can type the keyword of the element you want to use in the search field at the top. Then, when you find the element that you want, you have to click on the element so it enters your presentation slide.
Thank you, Inaya and Nadia, for explaining the procedure.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
A few moments later, Isan had finished doing his assignment. Then he asked in the group chat whether the others had also finished doing their assignments.
Guys, I finished the assignment. How about you?
I finished too.
Wait a minute. I just need to collect the assignment.
Wait for me, guys. I just finished and will collect the assignment.
All right, then. By the way, have you found the link to stream the match, Inaya?
Yes, I have found it. Wait a minute, I will send the Zoom meeting link for us to watch the match together.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Inaya sends the Zoom meeting link.
Oh my god, I can't wait to watch the match. I think Indonesia will win this.
I agree. Indonesia will definitely win. What do you think, Isan?
I can say for sure because South Korea also play well in the previous match, so I kinda disagree with Vida and Chacha, but I hope that Indonesia will win this time.
In my opinion, Indonesia team will definitely win because their skill have improved a lot.
Yes, I totally agree with Nadia. Finally, the soccer match between Indonesia versus South Korea was over and the victory was won by Indonesia after the last penalty kick from Indonesia managed to penetrate the goal of South Korea. Indonesian goal.
Goal!
Yay!
See, just like I said, Indonesia will win.
Wow, I was so touched to see the match. I'm so proud of them.
Yes, I'm so proud of them too.
I can't wait for the next match. Hopefully, Indonesia will win the match again.
I'm happy and proud that Indonesia can reach this position after so long. The next day at night, the group chat was suddenly busy again, but not because of soccer, but because there was an earthquake on April 27, 2024 around Jakarta, so they confirmed each other's situation.
Guys, did you feel the earthquake earlier?
Yes, I felt it. The shaking was kinda strong, even make my bed move.
Yes, I feel it too. I was sitting in a chair and suddenly my chair shook. I almost fell down.
Inayah, Chacha, are you okay?
If anything happens, please let us.
Fortunately, I'm fine. I was asleep earlier and woke up because I felt the shaking.
Inaya, what about you?
I'm sorry, guys. I have made you worried. I'm fine. I didn't realize that there was an earthquake. I thought my head was dizzy, but it turned out to be an earthquake.
Oh, it's a relief that everyone is okay.
By the way, where was the earthquake center?
I just saw a notification from the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency that the epicenter was at C 151 kilometers southwest of Garut Regency with an earthquake magnitude of 6.2 and depth of 10 kilometers.
Hopefully, the people around Garut and other affected cities can be safe and kept away from disaster.
I really hope that there will be no casualties from this natural disaster.
Yes, I hope so.
Be careful, guys. Okay, thank you so much for listening and watching our presentation. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.